Everybody hanging out, meeting some programmers and some quant guys that are part of an institutional fund. So, real quick, just want to do an update, which is rare. I actually traded on my laptop on Wi-Fi at a Summer Moon coffee shop. I even had Trade Syncer on, and I was one and done out of the open. So right at the first bar close at 8:32 or later, we were short on our heavy lifter, the pivot point trading strategy, and we were one and done, fully automated. We have traded down to a level I marked. It was kind of the opening range from a prior trade day. We did make it down there, so it's bouncing a bit. But anyhow, nice easy day. If for some reason somebody left the automation on, you were short on the time window entry, meaning take the direction of the PPG1 indicator right out of the open after the first 2 minutes play out, so 8:32 Central Time. The first bar closed at 8:32 or later. Then you would have been long, then back short again, and I'm sure you would have been done. So I worked the overnight session a bit. I worked that pivot and that pivot. I like the M pattern. We kind of came up to a key level. So I was already up on the day, and then went flat, turned everything on, and hit the open with a little bit heavier size than I typically did. I thought we'd get some sort of a pullback, maybe at least to this level, and we blew through that level, and I was done. So anyhow, good day. We have the adaptive trend cloud strat. My programmer had to disengage for a few days. He had something come up he had to go deal with. And we're back engaged this morning. We're going to wrap that up. Should have the adaptive trend cloud, the fourth automated strategy, out to the group after the close today. I'll test it out a bit and then post everything up with some initial training. I have a range of new additional training going up. And then probably tomorrow I'll have a big update on the levels indicator. I pitched that to a second programmer that I just remembered built a really good levels indicator for me in the past. So I wanted to incorporate a feature that I knew he already knows how to program, making the levels indicator even a little bit more sophisticated than I originally had intended. But I know there's a lot of background noise, and I'm done for the day. I'm going to go have my meetings with these guys, and I'll be busy for a couple hours. Then I'll be back to content. But yeah, quick one and done day. And if you go to the proptradingindicators.com website, we do have various pricing levels. So you can come in at low-cost pricing or pricing still well below any group that's selling automated systems. And heck, we got 3 automated systems in our advanced pack, and we're about to have 4. So the pivot point trading strategy, one and done for today, and look for more content later. So you guys all have a great trade day, and we'll talk to you later.